guys, welcome back to my channel. Well, what I have for you today is going to be how I decorated my hutch for fall 2021. I was going to do a decorate with me, but then I've heard that Melvin should be in pretty soon and I'll probably have to go pick him up. So I don't have time. I was playing around to see how I liked it, and now I don't have time to take it out. So this is what we're going to be doing. But I'll take you down in a little bit and show you up close, because I have my market sign that I made up above the hutch. It looks so pretty. And when you're in the kitchen, you can see it. And it really matches that wood over there, right there on those arches, okay? I'd never make a weather person. I just wouldn't. I'd be pointing somewhere else. Okay. So let me scoot you in and we will take a closer look. Okay, first let me say, I will link in the description box everything that I'm going to mention. And if you haven't picked up those Norwex cleaning cloths, they are so awesome. I cleaned these windows with it, and you talk about a shine, chemical free, so easy, okay? So let me go ahead and take you down and give you a closer look so you can see really close. Okay, what I did up here, I'll start in the center area, is I put up my Walmart plates I got last year. I have 4 of them. So I went ahead and put them in the back. I think they are adorable up there. Then about 2 years ago, I picked that up at Home Goods, that little truck, and the back pops off and you can put something in it, but I never do. I love that. It is so beautiful. Then there's a Dollar Tree pumpkin. I love Dollar Tree pumpkins. And then right here is another Dollar Tree little pumpkin that the top comes off. And then here are those 2 mini cloches. You get a set of 3. And I just put 3 pumpkins in that one on the right and 1 pumpkin in this other one on the left. And I think that is so beautiful. Okay, and then this is one of the cloches that I ordered off of Amazon, and I put a Dollar Tree pumpkin in that. Is that not adorable? I love it, okay? Now we'll go down to the second shelf. Now these plates right there, those sunflower plates, I picked those up on Amazon. You got a set of 4. I was originally gonna put them in my kitchen where the cabinets have the glass, but I changed my mind. I thought they were so beautiful in here, so I don't know what I'm gonna do with the kitchen cabinets just yet. But I love those beautiful sunflowers, so I put one there, and I picked up that pumpkin 2 years ago at Walmart, and I love it. And it has a beautiful little green stem there. Then here's a really good look at that plate. It's so pretty. It would be beautiful anywhere. Another Dollar Tree pumpkin. This pumpkin came from Home Goods. I bought it at the same time I bought that truck. There's my other sunflower plate and a Dollar Tree owl. And then you've noticed on each shelf I have these beautiful LED lights that have that warm orangey amber glow that I picked up at Walmart, and they're set to a timer and they have several functions. So there's my little owl from the Dollar Tree. And then right here is another pumpkin I picked up at Home Goods the same time I picked up all those others. And I love the swirls and that stem. It just looks so festive. Okay, then on my bottom shelf, what I have over here, we'll start in the center. That big pumpkin came from Home Goods. That's the last item I picked up when I picked up everything else. And then I just have 2 candle holders that I picked up at Michael's in the summer, and they were having a big sale and I got both of them for $8. And I just have some LED candles there on a timer with another Dollar Tree pumpkin. And in the back are those beautiful gold chargers from the Dollar Tree. I have 4 of them. And then right here is my little cloche that I picked up, I don't even know where. I think it was AC Moore when they had the store on a deep clearance, and I put a little pumpkin in there, and I think that is sweet. Okay, so that's how that is looking. And then this is another one of those little Dollar Tree pumpkins that the top comes off. And then right over here is a little picture that I picked up at Target's Dollar Spot last year, and I used the skinny font with my Cricut and wrote cozy on that. I picked it up either last year or year before, I can't remember which, but I love how this is looking. I'll step back and let you see sort of an overall look. And then up here, I put this garland, and I love it. I've used it, I think this is the 2nd year that I've used that garland, and I really do like it. Just looks so festive. Then up there is my market sign, and when you stand way back, you can see it from in here, even behind all that garland. So I love it. There, that lets you see it better. But I made that sign, it was just plywood, and I used my stamps to make it look like wood planks, and then I used my clay to make the word market. Okay, now I'll give you a look at how it looks with the doors closed. I just think it's really cute. Sorry about the ring light in the back, but I love those plates. Oh my gosh. And I love those Dollar Tree chargers. They're that copper color, like a penny color, okay? Then down here for now, I've just put a pumpkin right here. I don't know if that's going to stay, I don't think so. And then right here is a little leaf basket that I normally put lights in, but this year I decided to just take Walmart pumpkins and stack them in there, and I think it looks so pretty. Okay, right here is what I decided to do with this container that we picked up at Charles Phillips Antiques. It's metal and I love it. It's so unusual. I just put some pumpkins in it and then some leaves from Michael's and some of those corn stalks from Michael's, and I put my little scarecrow that I've had about 3 or 4 years that I picked up at Hobby Lobby. And I love him. He's so festive looking. Well, here is the baby. She was asleep with Mama on the love seat here in the reading room. She is so funny. Were you having a good time? Yes, she was having a good time. Say hello, say hi, say I love you. Oh, say I'm gonna smell Mama for a little bit. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up. It really helps me out on YouTube. And if you're not already subscribed to my channel, I would love it if you would subscribe and become a member of our family. And if you subscribe, hit that notification bell, goodness, and set it to all so you won't miss an upload. So I will see you Monday for a fall cricket DIY. And then Tuesday will either be in my entryway decorating. I think that's where we'll be because we have that to do, then the guest bathroom to do, and my front porch. Then I'll have the home tour, and then we will start fall DIYs. So yes, are we going to do DIYs? Oh yes, Maggie says, I think that would be wonderful. So I think my fans would love it. So until next time, bye guys.